Okay, so now that I've sectioned my hair, I'm gonna I look like one of those little 5-year-olds running around with hair clips. Hi guys, it's Ariel Gray. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about hairstyles. I'm hopefully going to go through about 5 to 6 hairstyles. I will be alternating between straight and curly hair, or both on camera at the same time. So let's just get started. But for now we're going to work with this. Hopefully your hair is already straightened or wavy and it's already dry. You are going to need some hair tie, a rat tail comb if you have one, and obviously some oil if you have it, just to make your hair look shiny. Use some crocodile clips. That's probably a very good idea. You're going to do a middle part with 2 twists, one on each side. If you're counting from my other videos, this is the 3rd wash. I like to section down 1/2 when I work with the other half. I'm gonna use my mirror for this because I don't want like the part. You really want to try to get a straight line with a rat tail comb all the way through, or something that resembles a straight line. Okay, so now that I've sectioned my hair, I'm gonna I look like one of those little 5-year-olds running around with hair clips. Okay, so get your first hair tie, put it in your hand or in your wrist. The important thing about this is you need to start twisting from about here. So you want to twist inward, grabbing a little hair from each side as you do it. I know this looks crazy, but just trust the process. You want to keep pulling it from one side inwards. You're also going to want to, choose the direction of it. You don't want it to go all over the place. And you're just going to bring this back. If you need a break, you can just hold it there. Try not to think too much. Like you can see here I already missed a piece. I'm going to have to go back. And you can just split it from there and take it back on. You can also do that if you mess up the direction.
Yes, queen! Yes, queen! Yes, queen!
Okay, you'll feel it once you get all the way to the back and there's no more hair to pull in, because you probably do have a clip or something separating your hair. You want to put tension at the very end where everything is tied very nicely. This is where you pull your hair tie. As you hold the tension, you're going to want to switch fingers and hands as you do this, keeping that tension there. If not, your twist is going to lift up and it's not going to look great. Once you're at the very last loop that you can do, you'll feel it in your finger, you want to fold in your hair. This you can align it however, or if you have bobby pins you can clip it, but for the sake of the tutorial I'm not using any bobby pins. Okay, so I have one side done. I'll give you guys a close-up. And there's a reason why these hair ties are opaque, is because I used a highlighter on them. You really want to use hair ties that match your hair color. You probably don't have a crazy hair color like me, but you can change that. So now that one side is done, I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side super quickly. You do want to keep in mind the direction of your hair and where it starts. As I said earlier, you want to start about 1/4 to 1/2 inch inward as you start twisting. Okay, so this is the final result for this. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. I don't even want to take it out. It's so pretty.
Okay.
You're maybe not the middle part type of guy, so we're going to go ahead and just use one hair tie for this. Wrap it around your hand. You do want to start in the middle, and you want to start twisting right about an inch, no, I would say 3/4 of an inch in. You do want to guide this straight through the middle because my mirror is too high. Because you're going to be able to tell if you really mess this up. You do want to do it like the 2 twists that I did earlier. Just bring a piece each side that you bring it up and alternate within your fingers. Remember to not let go of the tension in the back. You do need that to keep it from getting fluffy. As you put this in, same technique. You twist, you hold, you twist, and you hold, alternating your hands so that nothing falls out. And then at the end, you can either leave it as a ponytail, or I like just do like a top knot, just because it creates more of an interesting look. So this is the final results.